welcome to All Things Apple. Plus, again, I wanted to actually give you guys just a quick tutorial and how-to, and kind of just a walkthrough of an application that has come out and has just really been the talk of the town recently, and that's been Appscovery. It is an application that you can install onto your device for free, and it allows you to take advantage of applications that are on the App Store that haven't been revoked yet. So for an example, let me cancel that, there we go. For an example, if you wanted to go and play Pokemon Sapphire or Pokemon Ruby or Emerald, there is currently in the App Store a Japanese port of both of those games within the App Store, which has a golden certificate. They can't be revoked, and they are free to download at this moment. Now, I would have never have known anything like that if it wasn't for Appscovery. So let me actually just launch the app really quick. So there is like for this particular app, there is a paid version that you can download without any ads, and then there's the original one. But as you can see here, here's Pokemon Emerald, and again, it's the Japanese port of the game. So it is fully functional, and I would have never known anything like this existed in the first place on the App Store without Appscovery. So let's go ahead and get into what Appscovery really is, or how to go about it and getting it. So if you navigate to Twitter, and if you have a Twitter account, I definitely would recommend getting one. If you go under search and you type in Appscovery, I'm actually doing some research on the PPSSPP emulator. Well, I'm going to talk about that in a different video. They currently this is their actual main site, or their main Twitter page, where you can download the app, or where you can go and find out any more information on the application. If you want to download the application, which we'll get into in a second, you can go to appscovery.vip and download the app from there. So there was a temporarily like a bug that was going on within their application. It looks like the last thing that they mentioned was there was a host error, but now everything is back, good to go about 5 minutes ago as of 11:57 on May 26th. So let's go ahead and navigate to appscovery.vip in Safari actually. Like I said, I'm actually doing some research with the PlayStation Portable emulator, so that's why I have a bunch of these other different places up. But once we get into Appscovery, this is their main page. This is where you can go and download the application. So also alongside of that is their team. So if you get a chance, make sure you follow these guys on social media and through Twitter, of course, and give these guys a shout out and thank them for their hard work, because there's a lot of effort that goes into this application. And definitely reach out to the creator, Mr. R, and reach out to him and just give him your thanks for this application, because this is really a really amazing app. So we're going to go in, instead of hitting the download here button, we're going to hit the temporary fix download. We'll tap that, and it should bring us to this site where we're going to need to verify ourselves. So let's go ahead and say that we're not a robot. We need to select all images with a storefront. So it looks like those three. We'll hit verify. Cool, and then we'll hit click here to continue. There we go. You might have to hit it a second time. And excuse my voice, I am actually getting sick right now. Hopefully within the next couple days, I'll feel a little bit better and do more videos. But excuse my voice for the meantime. So the link is almost ready, and if you just scroll just below it, there's going to be a bunch of ads. Just scroll below it and you'll see Get Link. Go ahead and tap on that, and it should send you to Mediafire. If it doesn't send you other places, don't navigate to those sites. Head back to this main page and look for the link, and then you should be able to go to Mediafire like really easy. And we'll hit the download button from here. And it says this website is trying to open settings to show you configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? We'll go ahead and hit allow, and we'll hit install. Type in our passcode. Go ahead and hit install and install one more time, and we'll hit done from there. So from now on the main screen, we should actually see the Appscovery app locating on our board here. We'll go ahead and launch that. And awesome, everything looks like it's running just as fine. And again, follow these guys on Twitter. They put in a lot of effort into this application, especially Mr. R and Game Changers and Techno Trend too. Make sure you follow these guys. They keep up to date on this application, and they're great. They're just really great people to follow. So make sure that you do give those guys a like and follow them too. So under the home screen, we have menu. We have actually movies, sports, screen recorders, music apps, video downloader apps, and VPNs. And then on the top here, you'll notice there's a little menu bar. There is storage cleaners, bonus apps, Apple IDs, promotions, YouTubers, and updates. So with the YouTubers, definitely go reach out to, or go and find these guys on YouTube. Give them a subscribe, give them a like. They'll definitely enjoy all of that. And watch some of their videos. Especially, I'm a huge fan of Dino Zambas. He's got a ton of great tutorials. Check him out. Apple Tech videos, great. All these guys are really great. So take a look, subscribe to these guys, give them a like on their video, and just show some support for them. So after YouTubers, let's go into the bonus apps real quick. This is where I was able to find a lot of the amazing apps that are on the App Store that I would really have no idea about. Like I said, let's go into Pokemon Emerald. Now, when you tap on the application, tap not on the name or on the lettering of the app, but on the actual app itself, and it will bring you straight to the App Store. So let's try a different one too. Actually, back out. Let's go under movies. So under movies, let's check out. Let's see here. Let's go HDX. I've never heard of this application. And there you go. And then you can also see other people review about the application as well too. So we'll hit get. Awesome. And it'll start downloading the application. And now this app, because it has come from the App Store, it has that golden certificate where it can never be revoked. So we can go ahead and open that. And if you wanted to, you can start watching movies right away. So this is a really great app. I suggest going into this application and seeing what apps that you would like that are on the App Store and download them to your device, because there are plenty of times where Apple does sweep these apps out from their App Store, and I'm not sure how soon some of these apps are going to be on the App Store, but I would recommend downloading this application. That way you kind of have just the overview of everything and kind of see what applications are available to download before they're actually removed from the App Store. So check out Appscovery, not App Discovery, Appscovery. And I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys did, please go ahead and share this around to everybody that you know. Download this application. It is so worth it to have it on your phone. And leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Hopefully I won't sound so nasally, but I'm doing my best to just kind of get over this sickness. It's just been hitting me and my family. It's been the worst. But I hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.